In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make and add a GIF to Miro. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to Miro.com and then proceed to enter right here your work email and proceed to click on sign up. You can also use your Gmail for this case. If you already have an account, proceed to click on this login option. So since I already have one, let me just proceed to log in. So technically, Miro is an AI-powered whiteboard tool that you can use with your team. Now here is my actual board. What we can do is we can just click onto this plus icon, which is our tools, media, and integration. From in there, click onto the search bar and search in here for GIFs. Here it is right here, so proceed to click on this. And after that, click on GIFs. And in here, you can see some trending GIFs that you can actually utilize. So as you can see, this makes it better or this makes it easier for us. Let's search in here for something cute. It should be able to show you these options right here. I'll head over and add this one and just proceed to drag it right here just like that. After this GIF will load and it will actually just animate like that. Now, if you wish to upload your own GIF that you got from other platform, you can proceed to click onto this plus icon, click onto this search right here and search in here for upload. Click onto this upload option. Click on my device since I have it on my device. Then I'll head over and then just choose right here my GIF, which is this cute cat. Click on open. And then after that, that particular GIF shall be added like this. And as you can see, both of them are actually working or actually being animated. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.